Eating well makes you feel great, but it's not always easy, especially at lunchtime. That's why we created the Prep Pack, a revolutionary new take on the humble lunchbox, intelligently designed and beautifully crafted to make lunchtime more enjoyable. But Prep Pack is more than just a lunchbox. It's a new way of taking control of what you eat. We've created an innovative system of modular containers that can be arranged in different combinations to suit your changing daily needs. And there's an app designed alongside the Prep Pack that allows you to browse tasty meal plans. Simply select one to make for the week ahead, output customized shopping lists, and follow recipes designed to fit the Prep Pack containers perfectly. Buying multiple containers allows you to batch cook in one sitting, saving you time during the week and ensuring you always have food prepared in advance. Grab your food for the day, put it in your pack, and you're ready to go. You'll have everything you need to create and enjoy delicious, Instagram-worthy lunches every day.
Prep Pack makes taking lunch to work better in every way. Compared to current storage options, which are often cheaply made and prone to leaking, the Prep Pack containers are a premium upgrade. Made from a breakthrough BPA-free material called Tritan, the boxes are dishwasher friendly and safe to freeze and microwave. So they're perfect for both storing leftovers and your freshly prepped meals. The containers are also completely leak-proof, so you can feel confident taking your lunch to work. With the Prepped app, we've done the hard work so you don't have to. We teamed up with chefs, nutritionists and foodies to design a vast range of prep-friendly meal plans and exciting recipes. You can search by a specific diet type, health goal or key ingredient, so you can find exactly the right meal plan for you. The app also automatically measures what you eat, giving you a more complete picture of your diet. But most importantly, Prep Pack delivers an unrivaled eating experience. From the integrated silicone eating mat to the smart magnetic cutlery, we've thought of every detail to ensure you'll always look forward to lunchtime.
We believe that Prep Pack can help you take back control of your lunch, be smarter, and live a healthier lifestyle.
We've worked incredibly hard to bring Prep Pack to life, but now we need your help to take the final step and get this fantastic new product into your hands.
So please back us and kickstart your healthier lifestyle today.